Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric drills that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the DEWALT Cordless Drill Set. This compact and lightweight drill is powered by a 12-volt motor, delivering 180 inch-pounds of torque. It's perfectly suited for light-duty tasks like drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, and tightening screws with precision. The 21+1 torque settings allow for fine control, preventing overdriving or stripping screws, while the variable speed of up to 650 RPM ensures versatility. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, and the built-in LED light makes it ideal for working in dimly lit spaces. While the DEWALT drill scores high marks for portability and ease of use, it's worth noting that its lower torque and speed make it less suitable for heavy-duty applications. The included accessories, such as drill bits and a magnetic flexible shaft, add convenience for users tackling smaller DIY projects. However, compared to other drills in this lineup, it lacks the robust build quality and higher voltage power seen in premium options. If you're looking for a budget-friendly drill for occasional light work, this is a decent choice. Overall, the DEWALT cordless drill is a great starter tool for beginners or casual DIYers. Its affordability and ease of use make it a reliable option for basic household projects. However, those seeking higher performance for professional-grade tasks might want to consider our higher-ranked products. At number 4, we have the DEKO PRO Cordless Drill. This 20V drill is geared toward DIY enthusiasts and homeowners looking for reliable performance without breaking the bank. Featuring 2 variable speeds, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1350 RPM, and 18+1 torque settings, it offers solid versatility for a range of drilling and fastening tasks. The lightweight design, weighing just 2.5 pounds, enhances portability and reduces fatigue during extended use. The package includes a 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery, charger, drill bits, and other useful accessories, making it a complete kit for tackling everyday projects. In terms of build quality, the DEKO PRO drill feels well constructed for its price point, though it doesn't match the durability of higher-end models. It's compact and easy to maneuver, which is great for tight spaces. But its maximum rotational speed of 1350 RPM, slightly lower than some competitors. The torque settings provide sufficient control for basic tasks, though professionals might find it underpowered for heavy-duty jobs like masonry drilling. Additionally, the lack of included spare batteries may limit usage time. The DEKO PRO cordless drill is ideal for casual users who need a reliable tool for light to medium-duty tasks. While it doesn't offer cutting-edge performance, its affordability and feature set make it a good investment for small repairs, furniture assembly, or DIY projects. If you're looking for a versatile and budget-friendly drill with a comprehensive accessory kit, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Connect Cordless Drill Kit. This drill is the budget champion of the list, offering solid functionality at just $74.99. With a 24-position clutch, it provides excellent control to prevent stripping screws, and its lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring reliability even for infrequent users. The kit includes 100 accessories, ranging from drill bits to fasteners, making it a fantastic all-in-one solution for various household tasks. The soft grip handle enhances comfort during use, while its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. Performance-wise, the BLACK+DECKER drill delivers a maximum rotational speed of 650 RPM, which is sufficient for basic drilling and fastening. However, its lower torque of 150 inch-pounds means it's best suited for lighter tasks like furniture assembly or small DIY projects. While the plastic build may not feel as premium as higher-end models, it's durable enough for casual use. The standout feature here is the comprehensive accessory kit, which adds incredible value for beginners or homeowners who need a versatile setup. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable drill for occasional use, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Connect is hard to beat. It's not built for heavy-duty jobs, but for its price, it's one of the best options available for light-duty applications. This is a great pick for anyone looking to get started with DIY projects without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit DCD771C2. Known for its impressive build quality and reliable performance, this drill features a high-speed transmission with 2 speeds, 0 to 450 RPM and 0 to 1500 RPM, making it versatile for a wide range of tasks. Its compact, lightweight design allows it to fit into tight spaces, and the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use. The 300-unit watts-out UWL motor delivers consistent power, and the 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures secure bit gripping strength. With 2 included lithium-ion batteries and a charger, downtime is minimized. What sets this DEWALT drill apart is its exceptional build quality and durability. It's constructed with metal components that feel premium and robust, making it suitable for both professional and DIY use. The torque of 650 inch-pounds is powerful enough for most applications, from drilling into wood and metal to driving screws. However, it doesn't include the impact driver found in our number 1 pick, which might limit its versatility for heavier tasks. Despite this, the combination of performance and price makes it a strong contender for anyone looking for a high-quality drill that balances performance and price. The DEWALT DCD771C2 is an excellent choice. It's ideal for homeowners, DIYers, and even professionals who need a dependable tool for everyday tasks. At $99, it offers fantastic value for its build quality and included batteries. And at number 1, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, DCK240C2. This premium combo offers top-tier performance with both a drill driver and an impact driver included, making it the most versatile option on our list. The drill features 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 RPM and 0 to 1500 RPM, and a powerful motor capable of delivering 300-unit watts-out, UWO, while the impact driver offers an impressive 1,700 inch-pounds of torque for heavy-duty fastening. The ergonomic handles and lightweight designs make both tools comfortable to use, even during extended projects. The inclusion of 3 LED lights on the impact driver ensures visibility in dark areas, adding a layer of convenience. The build quality is outstanding, with durable materials and precision engineering that make this combo kit suitable for professional use. With 2 lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag, DEWALT ensures you have everything you need to tackle demanding tasks without interruptions. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or masonry, or driving large screws and bolts, this kit has you covered. While the $149 price tag is on the higher end, the value is undeniable given the performance and versatility of this combo. If you're looking for the ultimate electric drill solution, the DEWALT DCK240C2 is the clear winner. It's perfect for professionals, contractors, and serious DIYers who need reliable tools to handle tougher projects. This combo kit is an investment in quality, durability, and performance that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.